How to take off in a Cessna 172. This is an article on how to take off in a Cessna 172. Steps. 1. Line up with the runway. As you do so, ensure that the directional gyro matches the runway heading. Correction for the wind if there is crosswind. 2. Advance the throttle in about 3 seconds time all the way to full. Check your mixture rich. 3. As soon as plane starts moving, perform this visual check. Oil pressure in green. Oil temperature in green. 4. Call out power available, minimum 2,300 RPM, and airspeed alive when your airspeed indicator comes alive. This should occur somewhere around 35 KIAS, knots indicated airspeed. 5. Pull back slowly on the yoke when 55 KIAS is reached. Rotate at 60 KIAS. 6. Lower your nose once off the ground for the best rate of climb speed, 75 KIAS. Tips. Stay lined up with the runway center line with foot pedals and not the yoke using easy corrections. If the runway is short, consider using flaps for takeoff. Refer to the manual for short take-off procedure. Depending on the type of 172, 10, 20 degrees of flaps should suffice. Climb at 65 KIAS to about 200 feet, 61.0 meters, then accelerate by lowering the nose to 73 KIAS and retract the flaps 10 degrees at a time. If you stay anywhere where the field elevation is 1,000 feet, 304.8 meters, or above, make sure you check the density altitude and set your fuel mixture accordingly. Control the column into the wind for a crosswind takeoff to avoid drifting after liftoff. The throttle for a Cessna 172 isn't on the yoke, it's the middle lever between the carb heat and mixture that you pull. Warnings. Under no circumstances should you fly near the stall speed of 35 ktis. This is with a dirty configuration. The stall speed is higher in a clean configuration. Dirty equals flaps down, clean equals no flaps.